The man himself, G Maffiah, is here this evening. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, man. You don't know they are live. You know what I mean? Give thanks to life. And from we have life, we're there open live.
Of course. And the man said VIP on him at, you know.
Yeah, man. Definitely.
Very important person in the studio.
Yeah, man. Nah, tell you that's how we roll.
It's been a while since we catch up still.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
A good while now.
Yeah, good while.
Talk to me, what go on since then?
And a bag of things, cause you know, from them time that we did do a small tour of France. You know what I mean? We have a couple of singles where we did put out.
Yeah.
And been doing good. You know what I mean? I think we put out 2 videos since the last time we link up.
Yeah.
So yeah, a lot of things and a bag of things are going the same way. You know what I mean? We keep on working.
You always are working, okay? If you check this man socials, you might always do something.
Definitely.
Is there a reason for that, or is it just happen to be that you just record a lot, or do you have is it a set standard that you have in place where you need to do this and this in such a time? Talk to me, what go on for that energy there?
No, I think the energy comes from me being a Jamaican artist who lives in the UK.
So why you feel that you have to go above and beyond?
No, it's not even above and beyond, because me don't even catch up none of them man them a yard yet. You know what I'm saying? The man them a yard, even though I live in the UK and I'm doing the music
Yeah.
in a way where I'm still rooted. You know what I mean? Meaning I'm competing with myself, yes, because I don't compete with people. You know what I mean? I try to set my own standard and my own level, but at the same time with the music industry, what's coming out of yard, you have to keep up with the momentum. You know what I mean? And if you notice, the new artists that come from yard, not saying more want a bag of song a road, but at the same time, to keep yourself relevant, you have to try to be in what's going on.
So basically the style that's going on now, where they call it trap dancehall.
No, me no do trap.
So that's new style where the system I do right, you know? Them call it trap dancehall.
Yeah, that's a for them thing.
You know? So
that a for them
where
thing.
you see, you know, try after piece of the trap dancehall.
No, me not the trap dancehall, me I do G Maffiah. But what me I try to explain is that because the business is moving so fast, you can't move snaily. You have to move in line with the business, basically. Yes, you will get lost, you will get trapped. Yeah, that me I say.
But like you stick to your one stand still.
Yeah, man, definitely.
So how you in the UK still?
No, with the UK now, me have my ups and I got my downs.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I work with the ups, me don't make the downs get me down. When I say down, I mean I believe most of the UK selector them, big up every selector, because I not bash no man, I not call no man name, but to me, the man them now look pan we.
Yeah.
Basically, because before the 6 them hit, me never used to hear no man. When me know about them,
yeah,
long time before them hit, no man never da play them.
But the UK plays what's trending.
Basically. But we are from here, so to make us trend,
yeah, people
here have to support us. How we going to trend? We can't go down a yard and tell the selector them say, yo, fly down to Jamaica, yo, play me tune to get trend when we already here. You understand what I'm saying?
No, but that's not necessarily true because Stylo G get his big breakout hit from UK.
Yeah.
And he didn't go to yard to get it trending.
No, he did.
It from here.
He did.
So I guess sometimes it's all about finding the right formula.
Yeah, him go yard.
But after the song is already a massive hit. He go to yard. It was a massive hit already, and Jamaica already pick up on the momentum that the song already pick up over here.
Because it's bigger than that still. It's I don't like pick up thing. Yeah, it's a business.
It's a business, but give props to Stylo G where it's deserved.
No, I'm a brother.
Banging song and
brother.
The song.
Stylo G is my brother. To them I do an interview Australia live and ask them who me big up all the while, but me I try to show say it's a business. Even though you have a banging song, you can't say, oh yes, a banging song. You still have to put it down as business and get your song out there, do your promotion, do your proper promotion. So I don't like say I'm not doing it, but me just I tell you my ups and my downs. I haven't said the ups yet. Yeah. I'm just saying the downs. So that's my down. You know what I mean?
So go on for the ups now.
So with the ups now, with the man then we are support, because you have selectors who are supporting, big them up. You know what I mean? They don't look and say, you know what, them say, all right, 6 happen, yeah, me have to play 6. But them youth here do them thing and them blend you in a wagwan and I try to get your thing out the panel level, big them up. So yeah, most and some selector I work with me panel level there and I big them up for it. You see me? Straight up.
Would you say like for one of not a popular selector as one of the 6 them or a vice cartel or a Maffiah, you have to try fitting yourself around what would I call it, dance or juggling. So you are more easily to digest. You have to adapt to that style of music or that style of juggling. What's going around, because most of the rhythm is not authentic dance or rhythm. It gotta be that trap in it. If you realize they take out the hip hop drum beat and the snare, putting up most of the
Yeah.
dance already. Even Vibes Cartel is adapting some of that at the moment because
Vibes Cartel like
dancehall evolve. So
Yeah, he does that, but him not change him style though.
it don't
It's
change his
just
style.
the
But for you,
Yeah.
for you as an upcoming artist, would you say like you would willing to evolve yourself or change yourself so it's easier to digest and easier to get integrated in the dancehall juggling nowadays that play in the UK scene?
Me understand what you say, and there's a bit of that where you have to do, because even with business too, when you run a business, you have to try for, but at the same time, you don't want to lose your identity, because you just gonna blend in, you're not gonna stand out.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is part right, but at the same time, you still have to have your own sound. So if you say, okay, that happen now, you know what, me go jump in that one, go and come on, blend in. You end up, you're just like, okay, cool. And then when people ready to look left, them left you, because you already did blend in and want to go and last. So you have to just try to keep your own identity at all time, no matter who come. You have to keep your own identity. Look how much liquor you have out there, brother. Look how much beer you have out there. Look how much bun. Look how much cars. And then try to keep them own identity,
So
even
what?
though.
You're right about that, but
Yeah.
I'm saying as an upcoming artist to get integrated in the juggling, you have to kind of make yourself more easier for the DJs to get mixed. You know, you have to go on similar beats, similar BPM.
No, you're right with that. You
Similar
have
beat
to.
pattern,
No, you have to. With
similar
the beat,
style of music, similar topics.
so with the beat and with the topic, you're right, 100%.
So
I'm
not
against
about
that.
losing identity. It's all
Yeah,
about
yeah,
getting a spotlight and you. Then
So,
you could
so like how you
showcase
put it
what
that way, you know, I
what-
support where you say, well, you're
What you wanna
100%
do.
right. So you do that as anybody, any business, any artist, anything, you have to do that, even me as an artist. But me still I try to keep myself. So when them look, they can say, oh, okay, so me understand.
So
you-
what
yeah.
separate G Mafia from everybody else?
So with G Mafia now, obviously, I'm a UK artist. When I say UK artist, I live here. So my business is here. My
Yeah.
identity, my brand is here. So I try to keep it yardcore. I try to sound like, okay. The last week I did an interview in Miami. You know the man say? He didn't know I live in the UK. I said, why? The man said, me check said I got Russ. I said, Russ? You know your style G. You know your gap ranks. You know you're spooky them. And I said, yeah. Why in the mentality him think just to
Because-
live in England, me go end up be a Rasta man, me go turn Rasta and sing some Rasta song. Because they feel like we're slow when we are not. You know what I mean? We're still competing with what's happening overall.
Well,
Is it?
to be honest, England is not as far behind in the dancehall space as some country. You can if I say Canada is way behind in terms of dancehall. So when you can refer to acts from UK who is doing dancehall music now, it's very rare you can refer to most other diaspora country where standout artist is.
Yeah, definitely.
So in that regard, you have to big up UK. So
Yeah.
UK is actually doing something. But for you guys with the music, as Dragon said, is more integrating in what's going on into Jamaica. Cause everybody look to Jamaica for what's at next to the dancehall.
And that's what I said when I just started. Say a yard, you have to, you know, you say, okay, cool. But at the same time, you still want to keep your identity for them to say, oh yeah, you know, say, yeah, but you know what? Yeah, him sound different. Because the other day I was listening to a rhythm, you know. In fact, it was a performance. And I hear an artist. I didn't see the artist.
Yeah.
I heard the song. I heard him performing. I mean, I said, oh, is that artist? I want to go there. He's the next artist. So me I say,
But hold on.
it
quick
threw me
question.
off.
Like in the dancehall industry, do you think you have to have a bit of cleverness, a bit of wittiness to keep up with what's going on, like what Vibes Cartel been doing
Yeah.
over the years? Because you realize what you do. You go for the six them and go for everybody who's doing something
trending.
different from him.
And keep, that's why I
He
keep
even
trending.
look back at
Yeah.
the time when Vibes Cartel just bust, from the time when Imam Movada was doing their little feud. If you realize him pick up a style after that, him
Yeah,
start sing
spooking, singing, yeah.
more
Mhm.
than doing lyrics because he
Yeah.
realized that was easier to digest. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You have to go with the time period.
Yeah, definitely.
Just like what Andrew first said last week,
Yeah.
him a big man and him a old man, but you can't expect him to come see him and play music from him era.
No,
So
you're
he
mad.
might go play the cartel and the
Yeah,
system,
yeah,
so you
true,
have to
you're
adapt
right.
to it.
Yeah,
So
you're right.
it's just
I think
what
more
I'm
space
trying
for
to
that.
say, like you have to make yourself more easier to digest in the dancehall space
Yeah.
because you have a lot of UK artists believe like we are doing this a long time and may have a bad song, but you don't integrate with nothing that I'm playing. I don't
Yeah.
fit my juggling, so I'm not gonna stop my juggling to play one song.
No, you shouldn't.
Ruin the entire vibe, then I have to build it back from scratch.
It
Like
don't
it
make
just
sense.
don't work.
No, I have enough artists to stay so too. I don't put myself in that category, full stop. But at the end of the day, as me I say, you still, it's like how you said that to me. I think I integrate myself in terms of blending in, but I'm not on them beats. So if it's beats you're playing, I say, no, I tune not the on a rhythm there. The other day, I voice on a rhythm where Chronicle was on. I did that song named Kill for Kill for the producer in Montego Bay. It was me, Chronicle, and about 3 or 4 other artists on the beat. Yeah? And only one man played the rubber rank, so alone me play my song on Chronicle. I don't hear nobody else play.
Yeah, because
so, you know, so I'm saying this stuff like that.
All right. You see, it's tricky, you know, because people only, all right. It's just like when you're going to use a supermarket to explain to you. So if you're going to a supermarket and we are using some Jamaican brand, if you're going there, you see Grace, you see Lasco, you see some no-name brand.
If it's a Grace and Lasco and you see Sunshine, you'll go for the Grace and Lasco over the Sunshine.
Yeah.
100%.
Because you know everybody know Grace.
Yeah.
All right. Nobody not really know Sunshine and all them brand yet.
Yeah.
So it take a while for people.
Yeah.
So the more you work on your product and your brand, and it go up there, when a man see your brand against the next one and say, okay, you know what, like you know say do some good song. When me hear where I go, I'm fitting in and juggling.
That's
enough time me as DJ will do it as well. Cause remember saying when you're up on a place I play, you get limited time to play.
Yeah, true.
You can't play.
I always say that.
And rhythms come out with 10, 12,
15 songs on it. Yeah.
You can't play the whole rhythm.
What a lot of people don't understand, yeah? When you download a rhythm or you get a rhythm, first thing you're gonna check out are the big name them on the rhythm.
Yeah, see if it got.
First you're gonna check out the big name them because, like, all right, for instance, look at that rhythm with the song we say with Tamdi. Only thing when me feel right just got on caps. All right, remember that song was tearing down the place until the chronicler people start listening to it.
Yeah.
And people start saying, no, that song is really bad too. So a lot of these songs creep up. Creep out, you don't listen to it first time, but the second time you might give it a listen.
But the creep up. What you say is right, but creep up is when the next man play it.
Yeah.
When the next man believe in it and say, no, me I go play.
Yeah.
And him play it, and then
as a DJ,
you know what? Me I try that song then because me see Rick play it, a Ray dance and Shelly plays, you know, and then Rick start play it. So it start from a man believe, is the belief, you know, I say, no, what? Me I go play G Mafia, you know. At the end of the day, if me release a tune, and that tune is not up to standard, then a man can tell me. A man say Mafia, you know, say X minus Y. But if it up to standard, me expect a man to say, no, me go work with a G Mafia, you know. Me I fit it in and me juggling.
No G Mafia, but like, we have to be fair and real to dancehall because we know this industry run, especially in England, in London. So you have some songs and some artists there not up to standard, but they're still being rotated in the dancehall space because of their friends and their links and connection, which is not a fair play to a lot of talented artists out there and a lot of talented acts. That's why I'm trying to say the best way for you to create a little buzz, a little highlight for yourself is go on something similar what's trending at the moment. So as soon as you get your little highlight, I'm not saying to lose your identity, just to get a little highlight so people like start tune into what G Mafia have to say.
Yeah.
Then when you do that now, you know what people them see your name, just like what Rick was saying, like the brand. Them see it and say, oh, and G Mafia, that me listen next song. Let me hear him say. So people start give your brand a look in. I'm not saying to change your identity, you know.
No, because I would never.
And I never like when an artist say like, oh, I will never try to sing those music or something. Like, music is fun. You shouldn't look at it one-sided because like probably you are here now and you say, boy, but I never sing one love song, you know.
No, me have enough love song.
I
have
like
hundreds of love song.
Just an example. That's just an example.
Okay.
You find a little lane, you know, something happen and for you do that song.
Yeah.
And you never know. It probably can be one of the biggest songs out there.
Of course, definitely. So what next for G Mafia? What's you working at now?
Yeah, right now I've got a mixtape out. I call it the We Them Like It's Tape. And it's down free.
We call it
the It's Tape.
The Hits Tape.
Yeah.
You know, I like that slogan.
Yeah, it's a It's Tape.
Yeah.
It has some tracks on it produced by some UK producer, Danger Pro.
Yeah.
Epic Jones. So it have some UK producer on it, and it have several songs which is out. They have several songs which is just gonna get dropped right now. So that's out to download. You can download it if you log on to my IG page. The link is in my bio, and also on www.wegoinginuk.com.
And what's the IG page?
So it's G Mafia, which is GMAFFIAH. So it's 2 F in it, a I, a A, and a H. G Mafia. So and you have G Mafia Music. So same spelling. Link is in my bio. Yeah?
Okay, and take my little next foolish advice. I think a lot of DJ over here getting the wrong marketing across. Like, I think you guys need to start put yourself on some of the dancehall website that DJ download most of their track from. Most of the DJ, UK upcoming DJ, their songs are not on the site. When I scour that site day and night to download song, you know, sometimes I'm looking some upcoming artists. It's very hard to find. And when they download them off YouTube, the quality is bad.
Poor.
And so I would refer to you guys to like start put your songs on, you know, the dancehall arena, dancehall, those sites. You know, invest a bit.
Have you ever typed in my name in dancehall arena?
No, but obviously, like it show like all the new songs for the week, and it's a site that I check.
Because it's a juggling them. It's a current song them where I drop a yard. Like Shabdan now probably have 15 juggling pan it. TJ probably have 10 juggling on it. So
not really, like, cause like even Oscar 10 star, you know our virgin, and him never give me a song after me download it because it was on the front page for weeks.
Okay.
And like you have certain other UK acts like sometimes I see a lot of Gappy songs on it as well. Like it's a good platform for putting music.
So maybe it's a producer them too.
It's easier to download and it's easier to find.
Yeah. Because dancehall arena.
Of course, definitely.
Yeah, man, I understand, definitely.
We're live in the building. It's approximately 26 minutes coming up at 10 right here. We are live in London, England. This is DGM Radio. This is the Upnliveshow. Special guest this evening is TG, and good evening to everybody that's locking on Facebook, all the Facebook crew. I can see you. Don't worry, we're going to drop some G Mafia shortly, alright? So people who's dying to hear the voice of the man who in the studio right now, we're going to turn the capable hands over to Dragon, and we're going to have a little interlude. Dragon call it freestyle, right?
Alright, so right now it's all about the freestyle part of the Upnlive show. So this part, where each and every artist come through here, them have go sing some song because we not pay them the money. That's why we call it freestyle. See? So right now it's all about the artist we call G Mafia. And hear what? We now go listen what him can do. And
you know
we can tune into him thing after
the
same.
Not pay the money.
Ready?
Him say him not pay the money. Alright, in a life, a loyalty we believe. Real friends. Me born fake friend. Me can say something, give me a little volume now. None of them boy don't have no loyalty. Them a watch we and a chat we like them with your panty. We a lock the street, the whole world can see. You a player yet, and me your girl want see. We links broad, and we bank account no scanty. We live in large, and of them the life you fancy. Had the mag, you want see me lifeless body, but you can't stop Mr. Ramsey. Them sell we out for the riches. Alright, him say next track. And we are go way back from Jamaica days. Alright, put on my clothes, my boy can't take that off. Cool, Versace blue jeans, gal a load sweat that off. And when we make the money, me and my friend them check that off. Hey, fire! Make some boy know this. So we do what we supposed to. We a bad man cause we chose to. Gal we keep close to. Flip skirt, yeah, blows to. Enough boys three and do the things that we opposed to. Them go turn in farmer when them know they're not supposed to. Guns and the post to. The hostas and the host to. Thug life we are toast to. Gal we have the most to. Tell them boy they go where we no rate with that a goes to. And guns there, yeah, we turn them in a. Alright, see me? Me don't want no fake friend. Real friend me want. That you and them fake friend. I know so Rick. If your friend them fake round there, you burn them out, don't? Alright, level. See it one bag of fake smile when them see the fat Kyle. No, me not trust none of them. When them see the girls and the cars and the liquor, them a push up but me know them a pretend. Me have a smile on me face every day. Them want see me feel. Them no want see we run the place. When you see them come a heel, me know them a liquor friend them a, money friend them a, shoes friend them a, confused friend them a, close friend none of them no close friend them a, VIP friend them, we take a girlfriend them a, be my friend them a, Ben's friend. That's why enough of them end up with a boyfriend them a, watch your links when the money starts spend. Bugatti drive up, boom past them. From you know me no fake. My friend them a fi eat when the cake done bake. Don't get offended when you see me straight face. Cause we know say enough of them no want see we great. Enough of them want back the food out of we plate. But every day mama say fi go and hold the faith. No we a rise them no want we elevate. We a win so them come and celebrate. Me know them a liquor friend them a, money friend them a, shoes friend them a. Alright, so what go on now? You see we? Our lifestyle is fi on for the cash.
Which is right.
And if you're not on for the cash, you stay around the back.
Which is right.
So here we go now.
That could have.
Here we go now.
Poverty is a sickness, money are the cure, yeah. Me born poor, but me non dead poor. When them a snore, me a fly pan tour figgy. Mama the keys, them pe push our one door. We no grow soft, we a real hardcore. So we sleepless and touch we hard. We run to growth more, money galore. Money galore, money galore, money galore, money galore. Poverty is a sickness. Alright, mad with him. Him say mad time. Say you are going now. You see when we touch out a road, that's how we live a lifestyle, no? That's how we live a lifestyle, no? Ah, see that? Roll up in at the ride, we own that. Money I spend, we no hold back. Shell with the bar, we no owe that. Every girl love we off and them man know that. We no try if you blend in, no. We stand out, step in at the club, pop the grands out, yeah. Liquor pile up, no dry out. I be a girl a pre we when we drive out. The girl them a say, are we them like we money nothing no hype. The Benz clean and white and we stay fresh every day and night. The girls them love the hype, yeah.
Bag of things, bag of things.
Uno hear what I want, see? So, when you see G Mafia put some respect on the man's name. Alright?
Is it?
It's with the boss though. Every rhythm forward the boss get a new song on it.
Definitely. Come here, try to sell the mixtape. You know what I mean? When I say sell the mixtape, it's download for free. But there's a bag of song on it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Where people can relate to and, you know what I mean, the same time. So go get the mixtape, we them like. It's down on my IG, free to download. We going in .com UK.
Of course. And your socials is again? It's at G.
So it's GMAFFIAH.
And where can we see you next? If you have anything coming up?
Yeah, so definitely right now we got the video shoot coming up, which is with them like video shoot. I think it's the 3rd of August. Yeah. And we got this brand new song about to drop. It named So We Live With Lifestyle. So We Live With Lifestyle. So that one dropping down and we got with them like out promoting. Same way, you know what I mean? Shows wise. Right now we just are going to promote as usual. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I got some gigs to do in France. I got some gigs coming up in Africa. Just to confirm, this was supposed to be done last year, but it didn't work out. But they are back on the case again, talking to me. And I'm supposed to do a tour with Australia. I was on the radio in Australia today. You know what I mean? So you don't know. There's a tour coming up for me in Australia, but you don't know where I can work, same way and go and get a couple singles out, same way and go and build up the momentum. Is it?
I know this, I say this on the bottom of my heart to you, G Mafia. I respect your hustle. I respect your work rate. Every time I see you, you always promote something, and me like how you just forward. You see, as an artist, you just forward to the studio. You're there on time, and you reach, and you're there by yourself. No disrespect to nobody forward to them crew and you. That's good, but me like.
thing called work ethics.
Yeah,
definitely.
Him got it, you know.
You have that, and you can't take that from a man. When a man
you can't take it from him. That's why you see, I try to give my little insight on the business to G Mafia, cause I'm one of them artists that like him. I find one of them big song there. And as a selector, I know why him say all them boy they can't get a dub, you know. So
no.
you know me, I'm trying friend from now, you know. I'm trying friend from now, forget me dub plate.
You me do know, me take every advice on board. You know what I mean? You say some points where me have to look into at the same time. You know what I mean? You say wagwan. You have to just know, say, even if you don't want to do it, you have to just, you know, and you're not wrong, you're right, you know what I mean? So you give me some good points when me have to end up adapting my career too. You see?
Of course.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, Fire.
Give thanks, man.
I mean, thank you very much, people, for joining us this evening. This was G Mafia. If you missed the interview, if you just joined us, you can go into our YouTube page. That's Upnliveshow. You can search for us on all the socials. That's at Upnliveshow. You can follow us on TGM Radio. We are here each and every Tuesday. Remember, go onto the YouTube channel, comment, like, subscribe, and share. All right? We got loads more of this if this what you like. Last week, Andrew Fresh was here. Good show. Also, big up to Sky's the Limit as well. Previous show all on the website www.worldmag.co.uk. Right now, 18 minutes coming up to 10. You know, Dragon there, you know. Almost time for the plug. Go on.